Hello everyone and welcome to my Cisco packet transfer smart home project. This is my CPT smart home project that I have made. So basically it is a fully functionally smart home automation system which is built entirely in the CPT. Everything is been already configured and it has been working. So in this video I will tell you about the complete network topology and explain each component's role and demonstrate. And also, so first start with the complete network layout. So starting from the center, I have a wireless router. And this is the basically backbone of the home network, and all the devices have been connected to this either through the Ethernet or the Wi-Fi. On the left side you can see a server PT configured as DHCP. This is the DHCP server that we have basically configured, and it automatically assigns the IP address to every device on the network, and no manual IP configuration is being needed for this. So here you can see here is my laptop PT, which I have named laptop 1. So this is the basically MQTT broker, and it runs the IoT server feature in packet server, and every message in the smart home passes through this laptop. Right here you can see a home gateway. This is the DLC 100. This is basically IoT hub. What it does that all the smart home devices are being connected to this gateway. So let me show that how. So here I have put 3 to 4 basically IoT devices, that is the IoT 0, that is garage door, IoT 1, that is ceiling fan, IoT 3, that is smart light, and IoT 26, that is humidifier. And finally basically I have used a monitor to control everything in this real life. So coming to the IP addressing and the DHCP verification. So on the server PT, on the server under the DHCP configuration, I have created a DHCP pool with a gateway, that is you can see, I will click here, IP configuration. So here under the DHCP server I have created a DHCP pool with a gateway, and which is basically a router that is 192.168.10.1. this is the basically router, and the pool starts from 192.168.10.2. so this has enough addresses for all the devices. If I check any device, for example my mobile phone or my laptop or any light, anything, I can see it has received that 192.168.10.3, like suppose laptop desktop IP configuration. So here you can see that it has come. It is a wireless router. Suppose ceiling fan. I think that is slow. Yeah, here. So basically like my laptop it is a broker has, like suppose my laptop broker has 192.168.10.2, and everything is on the same, like 192.168.10.0/24 network. So communication has been seamless, and this shows that the DHCP has been working perfectly. So suppose, like, let me show the how the system works, like the MQTT broker. On the laptop 1, go to the, suppose on laptop 1 I go to the desktop, yeah, here, and then basically and then I say the IoT server. Wait a second. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah, it's working. So under the basically you can see in this what happened, like that. Where is the IoT monitor? Yeah, it's working. Yeah, if I log in into this, so IoT service devices. So here all the service devices, all the IoT devices have been already configured to the to basically using the MQTT protocol to connect to this IP address. So all the 5 devices will be configured here. So this basically shows that the broker receives every on off command from the phone, from the basically device, and forward it to the correct device. Suppose if I take a ceiling fan here as an example, if I go to the configure tab and IoT server section, you can see the IoT server basically IP address, and it is set to this 10.2. so 10.1, sorry, okay, and the connection type is MQTT. So yeah, here you can see that the and you can see the username also and the password also. if I refresh it, it is connecting. So basically I have done exact the same thing for all the other 3 devices, IoT devices. Basically this what it does, that what it says that means every device knows exactly where to send its status and where to listen from the commands. So if I go to like in the laptop part, suppose, yeah, in the laptop part, in the desktop, yeah, here an IoT monitor. Oh, it's not coming. Wait a second. Yeah, desktop, and oh shit. Yeah, on IoT monitor. So on this IoT monitor you will be able to see all the like devices that are the IoT devices, like light, humidifier, garage door, and the ceiling fan. And basically this confirms that every device has successfully subscribed to the MQTT broker and is ready to receive the command. So now I will tell you. Yeah, here what has happened, then what is happening behind. Now I will show the basically simulation process. If I start the simulation, so you can see that the server has been started and it is checking. Now I will yeah, here the message has been gone. Now what will happen, then it will give all the 4 messages to all the 4 humidifiers. So here the first thing what that will start is the ceiling fan is started. After that the ceiling fan is stopped, and now I think humidifier has been started, and then a new message has been there, and then I think the light has been on. After that the garage door will be on. Yeah, you can see the garage door is on. So basically what happened in the behind scene is that when I clicked on the fan on my mobile, suppose I like take an example that I have is like a diagram or just a point between the mobile, laptop, or device. So suppose when I clicked on my fan on for the fan on my mobile phone, the mobile phone basically published an MQTT message to the broker laptop. The message said topic fan control value is on. The broker received this message and forwarded to the every device subscribed to that topic. The ceiling fan was being subscribed, and so it received the command and turned on. This is called the publish or subscribe model, and this model doesn't need to show the or know the fan's IP address. The broker handles all the routing, and that's why the system is scalable, you can see more reliable, and exactly how real world smart home like devices work. So you can here basically what I have done in summarize, you can see I have completely built a home network with the wireless router and a DHCP server. I am MQTT broker configured on the laptop ET, 4 IoT devices, fan, light, humidifier, garage door, and each device is configured to communicate via MQTT with the broker, a smart, and mostly I could say that this project showcases the core principle of IoT and MQTT protocols using the CPT, Cisco Packet Transfer. So thank you for watching my like smart home demonstration. Thank you.